If you want to make games but don't know how to get started, so guys, this series will give you a right path. Hi guys, my name is Aryan and welcome back to another video. As you know guys, I have started the beginner series and I promise you guys, if you will watch my full series, you will be able to make your own games. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is how Unity will looks like when you will open it. You will see many type of windows here. Let's discuss about the name of windows. This window is called scene window and this one is called game window. This is called hierarchy. This is project window. This is console and this is inspector. Alright, these all windows are adjustable and you can simply drag and drop where you want. For example, I want to drag and drop it over here, this one here and this one here. As you can see guys, these windows are adjustable. If you want to reset these windows, simply go on this button and click on default. Alright guys, basically scene window is the main window where you will design your all game. For example, I will put the terrain over here, put the grass, put the trees and design the game. Game window is that window where you will see how your game will looks like inside of your computer or your mobile phone. Hierarchy is a window. In simple words, you will see all the list of assets which you will use inside of the scene window in hierarchy. For example, you can see here main camera. If I will click on that, you will see the main camera will selected and our directional light will also selected. Let's discuss about project window. Project window is similar as Windows Explorer. You can make folders here and you can make other types of things here. For example, I'm going to make folder by simply right click over here and create a folder, and you can rename it to I want to rename it to scripts, and you can just simply right click and click on show in Explorer. You will see this folder inside of your Explorer. You will put all type of assets and art and scripts inside of project window. Let's discuss about console window. Here you will see all type of messages, warnings and errors which you will find inside of your scripts. So what is inspector? Let's discuss about inspector. In inspector window, you will see all properties of objects which you will use inside of your game. If we click on the main camera, you will see all types of properties over here. As you can see guys, there are all properties of camera are here. You can enable and disable camera by clicking on this point. Here you will see the option of transform and you will see three options which are position, rotation and scale. If you know simple math of coordinate system, then it is easy for you. You can simply change the position of camera by click here and drag and drop it over here. In the same way, you can do this for Y and same for Z. Also in rotation we have the same process, but here the object will be rotate. If we will rotate from X, you can see it is rotating in the X direction, and if we will rotate from Y, you can see it will rotate from the Y direction, and same for Z direction. Scale property is not applicable for camera, so we will not use it for now. When you will design the game in scene window, you will press right click and W to move forward, S to move backward, D to move right and A to move left. And you can rotate it with your mouse. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. I make small tutorials because with small tutorials you will more understand.